People across the northern Caribbean are picking up pieces after Hurricane Melissa left a trail of destruction across the region. Relief has started arriving in Jamaica, where the powerful storm made landfall as a Category 5 hurricane on Tuesday, killing at least 4 people. More than 25,000 people are displaced, while a majority of the area remains without power.
Father, even in the storm, you never left me. You carried me through Melissa, and I'm still standing because of you. Oh, God, you're always with me. I never walk alone. You're my solid rock, you're my cornerstone. When I'm climbing high or when I'm falling low, you stay right beside me everywhere I go. These days, Lord, I can't even trust my shadow. People with dark hearts, intentions so hollow. They're working in secrecy, planning destruction. But you are my peace and my holy protection. You lead me on the path of righteousness. You are my Father, my King, nothing less. When I lose my way, you forgive my sin. You open every door and you say, child, come in. You're always with me, Lord, I never walk alone. Through the fire, through the storm, even when I lost my home. You're my solid rock, Lord, you're my cornerstone. Whisper in my spirit, child, you're never on your own. Give me strength, give me faith, help me carry on. After darkness comes the morning, after night will come the dawn. You saved me with your mighty hands when everything was gone. Lord, I believe in you, I never walk alone. I appreciate your time, even though the world is filled with violence and crime. You send Melissa as a sign for mankind, but still some hearts are cold, like steel inside. I know you work miracles, you're faithful and true. You change wicked hearts, only you can make them new. It feels so good to have a father and a friend like you. Without your guiding love, Lord, I don't know what I'd do. You're with me going out, with me coming back, even though the storm left me with nothing intact. My house washed away, but your voice made me strong. You're not alone, my child, hold on, hold on. You're always with me, Lord, I never walk alone. Through the fire, through the storm, even when I lost my home. You're my solid rock, Lord, you're my cornerstone. Whisper in my spirit, child, you're never on your own. Give me strength, give me faith, help me carry on. After darkness comes the morning, after night will come the dawn. You saved me with your mighty hands when everything was gone. Lord, I believe in you, I never walk alone. Oh Lord, I never walk alone. Oh Lord, yeah. Oh Lord, everything happens for a reason. Who am I to question your plan? Through every storm and every season, you still hold me in your hands. I got nothing, everything washed away, but your love lifts me day by day. Lord, I trust you, come what may. You're the light, you're the truth, you're the way. You're always with me, Lord, I never walk alone. You rebuild my faith, even when Melissa broke my home. You're my solid rock, Lord, you're my cornerstone. Every heartbeat tells me I'm forever yours. So give me strength, give me faith, help me carry on. Through the tears, through the pain, Father, make me strong. With your mercy and your grace, I know I still belong. Lord, I believe in you, I never walk alone.